Okay, so let me address a few things. Khona ngibuzile la ukuthi one ngisazoqhubekeni ngivotela uMK even uZuma kuthiwa ngeke abe upresident. Number 2 ithini manifesto yeMK iziphi izinto esiyimele eziqembu. Number 3 obani abaholi be-MK. I'm going to try and answer these questions one at a time, and angiphenduleli wonke umuntu, ngiphendula ngendlela yami. Ziningi kakhulu izathu ezenza abantu abaningi abahlukene bavotela iMK, so mina ngizoshare zami. Okokuqala, akunankinga ukuthi uJacob Zuma uzobe upresident noma uzobe ngayisiyo yini president. What's important ukuthi uJacob Zuma and his political ideologies izona engiyilandelayo, and ngiyakholelwa kulokhu athi ufisa as isizwe sase South Africa sikwenze ukuthi sibumbane sabantu abamnyama, vote out wonke lawa amanye ama-party, ngoba wonke lawa amanye ama-party they are funded by the same funders. So kahle wonke lama-party abelonga kubantu ababodwa because ibona abawanika imali. So if bewanika imali, they obviously have leverage over them. They control izinto eziningi ezwenzayo. So that's the first thing. Doesn't matter whether umsholozi uzoba president or not, but political ideology is what's important to me, and I believe in that, and that is the main reason why I'm gonna vote the MK. Number 2, people are worried ngokuthi angiyazi leadership ye-MK ukuthi kuzoba obani. For starters, mina self angizange mina ngikhankaswe ukuthi ngithanda umkhonto. Akekho umuntu wakwafika kumina. I'm not a by any means an official kwi-party. Ngumuntu nje passionate about i-ideology abafika nabo, and I'm very passionate about lelizwe lethi South Africa, so I'll do anything engayenza to save lelizwe ukuthi ingane zami nezingane zezingane zazo nezingane zazo zikwazi ukuthi ziphile ezweni elingcono, where they are able to compete fairly with all other races, kungabikho abantu abakwi-pedestal or abantu abayibona bengcono kunabanye. So that is pretty much the country that we would love to create under this new MK party. Nalokho ukuthi ke abaholi asibazi, I think that's probably the best thing about the MK, ukuthi wonke umuntu la umholi indlela yakhe. Sonke siyayihola, sonke siya understand ivision kamsholozi as umuntu okuyena owaziwa kakhulu eqenjini. We know what they are about, we know what we want to do nathi, so sonke siyazihola. Kuzofika isikhathi la kuzoba khona i-official leadership ezokhethwa after ama consultations nabantu abasupport umkhonto, and whoever is there sizomsupporta fully, because siya understand ukuthi asikho la for izisu zethu, sila for izwe lethu, for ingane zethu, for ukuthi inqubela phambili ibe khona ezweni, kube khona ukuthula, kepha umuntu omnyama angacindezeleki, kukhombisa ukuthi abantu abamnyama ibona abayi majority la eSouth Africa, even nangendlela yokuphila. So ilezo ke mina bafethi izathu zami, angizazi ezabanye, kodwa I'm sure wonke umuntu unesizathu esiqinile sokuthi afuna ukuvotela iMK kulabo abazoyivotela.